Hi there and welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a follow-on to the newer 2-pack LED video lighting set. So let me enlighten you. So guys, I'm sat in the normal position where I shoot my talking head videos, which is in my conservatory. Now, over to that side of me, there's a big expanse of glass, and above we've got the ceiling, which lets a lot of light in. But it sometimes can be quite dark, as it is now. What is the time? It's sort of about 2:30-ish in the afternoon, so it's quite dark in here, and it's a very dull day. So I'm going to try with and without the lights. So at the minute, guys, we are there's no lights on, no nothing at all. So I've got the lights sort of around me. So I've got one just over there, and one set up on the table just here, guys, over there. So this one here, that's going to be the what we call the key light. Now let me sort of make something clear here. I absolutely know nothing about video lighting, so it's only what I've read recently. But this one over there, which I'm looking at over there, guys, that's going to be the main light, and this one here is going to be the fill light. So what I'm going to do, guys, is just switch them on, switch that one on first over there, and then that one, and then just see how much difference it actually makes. So if you just bear with me, guys, I'm going to switch that one on. So there you are, guys. So that one's turned on now on that side. Now that one on my left hand side, that's on full power. So just look at the screen, yeah, so it's lighting the left hand side of my face and leaving the sort of right hand side, or my right hand side, in the dark. So that one's on full power. So what I'm going to do on this one, this is going to be the fill light. So what I'm going to do is turn this one on, but that's going to be on about 50% power, and then we'll see what that looks like. So let me just see if I can reach down and find the on and off switch. So there's the on and off switch. One thing these lights do suffer from, guys, is that the lead from the lights to the where you plug into the little USB brick is a little bit short. So right, there we go. So this one's going to come on now, and that one is going to, let me just change the position slightly. Right, so this one's going to come on at 50% of its power, or 50% of the other one. So are you ready for this one? So there you are, guys. Now that is on, so that one's at 50% and that one is at 100% lighting. So yeah, I can see it has yeah, it's lit it up quite well. So what we'll do again, we're just going to turn this one off. So hang on, so this is the 50% one. So that one's off, and just going to lean forward and turn this one off, guys. So there I am, back in the picture, as it were. So yeah, definitely an improvement there. Don't know how much it would make of an improvement in a nice bright day, but certainly today being quite dull, it does seem to make an improvement. So what we do is, again, I'm now going to switch on the one on that does the 50%, which is this side. So that one is on my right hand side, which could be your left actually, but that was on 50%. So so I'm looking at the screen, yeah, so that's not bad. That's not bad. You can see the shadowing on this side, I mean, lit this side, but yeah, it's not too bad. So I'm going to lean forward now and switch the main light on. So there we are, guys, that's the main light back on again. So yeah, it's definitely an improvement, and lit up all the Christmas stuff behind me. You might be able to catch my Christmas booze and that. Got a little bit left, but not a lot. So there you go, guys. I'm just looking at the my monitor down here to see what it looks like. But yeah, so it definitely improves the picture, as I can see. So we said that one's on 50%, that one's on 100%. So yeah, definitely an improvement. But these were bought more for tabletop photography than they were videography, but definitely worth a little investment they were, and I think they're going to work quite well, especially if it's a dull day like this. Anyway, guys, It's only a little short video of the this little lighting setup, so I hope you found it useful. And if you have, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. And we will catch you on the next one. So bye bye for now. So folks, I thought I'd just give you a quick look at the actual setup. So that's where I sit, just in front of the camera there, guys. So that's the M50. So if we pan over to my right hand side, that's the main light. That's the key light, which is sat on an old Interfit lighting stand. So take no notice of all the boxes about. That's all the photographic equipment, which has to be moved around. So as I said, I sit in front of the camera there, and if we just pan on round, that's the fill light, which is set at 50% of the main light. So that's just sat on the little tabletop tripod. So that's the actual setup, guys. So quite a simple setup. It's only a two sort of light set. I think you're supposed to have a 3-point lighting to do it properly, guys, but I've only got the 2. But anyway, guys, that's just a quick look at the setup. So as I said, that's where I sit, and the lights around me.